In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the Cygwin1.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and simply type System Info. Click on it under the best match. And here you'll find your system type. So take note of that. And then open a browser. And then simply search for the missing DLL and put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you will find the download button depending for the architecture of your Windows. So click the first version and that will be downloading. So wait in a while. Once downloaded, okay, so let's just wait in a while. Okay, once done, click on the folder icon and then right click, select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. And then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder, double click. And then we need to locate the System32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. And if you are a 32-bit, just simply go to SYS-WOW64. Right click and then select paste the DLL file. Click on continue. And then once done, just simply restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. And also make sure that your Windows is updated. So click on the start button, go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download and install the latest updates for your Windows. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.